I wouldn't say article rewriting is illegal. Article rewriting is 100% legit, but we have to do it with a proper tool with proper steps. You have to follow all these steps to rewrite an article in a proper way. Step number 1, find a good article rewriting tool so that it rewrites your article in a good way. I will suggest you a tool which is completely free in this video. So watch it till the end. So step number 2, after rewriting, you should find a good plagiarism checker so that it find out if any repetitive words matching with any other article. So this is step number 2. I will cover this also in my video. In step number 3, do some on page optimizations so that your video ranks in Google at the top. You will get a good traffic and you can earn from a blog. So let's see the complete process of how to rewrite an article in a proper way and publish it in Google or in other search engines. So let's jump into the video. So I'm going to rewrite this article, creative thinking how to guide. So I like this article, so it is about 534 words. So I'm going to rewrite this with a tool called Quillbot. So Quillbot is free till 150 words. If you want to go more than 150 words, you have to get the paid version. So it is up to you. So if we go and click get premium, you can see the difference between the paid and the free plan. So free plan is like per paraphraser you get 150 word limit, but here it is unlimited words, and here you can use 2 writing modes. You have 7 writing modes, and there is some difference between these two. So I guess for us free version is more than enough, but if you feel that you want an upgraded version, you can also purchase it, because they have a money back guarantee also for a month. So if I'm going to a paraphraser and I have to choose fluency. If you choose standard mode, it is a middle ground of changing the input and keeping the meaning. But fluency is like improves fluency and fixes grammatical mistake in your article. So I prefer choosing the fluency mode. Now let us go to the article. So this is the article, we are going to rephrase it. So rephrasing and paraphrasing both are same, so don't get confused by these words. So let me copy the first content and let me paste that into Quillbot. So I've pasted it. So it is just 73 words. So 150 words is the limit. So let us paraphrase this. So once I click paraphraser, it is now showing the output. So it is entirely changing the entire article. So it is ready with the output. So if you are not satisfied with that, you can also click it again so that it will show another alternative words. And also you can click here in the orange color words. If you click here, you will have another suggestions also. Ability to think creatively is not that good. You can choose any one of this which suits the best. So you also have this option with Quillbot, so that is why I prefer this tool to rewrite an article. So let us copy this. So there is a icon to copy the full text, so I'm copying this. So I have opened Google Word and I have pasted this. So let us repeat the process again and again till the article is completely rewritten. So I'm going to this. So let us paste it again and click paraphrase. So our article will be rewritten again. So since it is only 150 words per paraphrase, I am using this method again and again. So if you prefer to purchase a premium account, you can directly copy the entire article and then you can start rewriting it. I guess paraphrasing every single paragraph will take time and consume your time in this video, so I'll fast forward the video now. And one more difference between premium and normal version of Quillbot is the synonyms. So now the synonyms is around 80%. If it is in premium, it will be 100%, but it is not necessary. But make sure you at least make use of 80%. Don't keep your synonyms here. So let us make use of 80% given, which is allowed in free. So now we have paraphrased the entire article. So the article is ready to go now. So now let's move to the step 2. So let us copy this and let's check the plagiarism. So for that we have to go to small SEO tools. So this is a website, so I will give you the link in the description. With that you can directly use all these tools, even the link for Quillbot as well as the link for plagiarism checker. So plagiarism checker is here. Since it is a free tool, it will have some advertisements, so please bear with me. So let's go back, plagiarism checker, and let me paste the entire content which we rephrased using the Quillbot. And now we have to give no, I'm not a robot, and check plagiarism. So once I click check plagiarism, it will start to load, and it will say you what are the sentences unique and what are the sentences is in plagiarism. So once you identify some plagiarism sentences, you can try changing that sentence and make it 100% unique. Once it is proved that it is 100% unique, you can do some on-page SEO optimizations, and then you can publish that in your website so that you will earn money and you can get traffic as well. So now let us see. Almost this tool does a very good job. So mostly the rewritten article will not have any plagiarism as far as I've been using this app. If there is any plagiarism, we can spot out that particular sentence and we can edit that, we can rewrite that as well until it comes 100% unique. So that is a very good feature with this Quillbot and this plagiarism. So we are using the combination of these two tools to make our rewriting 100% legit. You cannot just use a rewriting tool and then post it side by side in your website. It will cause some problem when you have plagiarized sentences in your website. Now you can see that it is 100% unique, so it is good to go. Now what you have to do is you have to copy all this entire thing and paste it in your website and do some minor changes according to the SEO. In this video I am not going to teach any SEO, but in future I will do a separate video on page SEO. If you want to learn, you are interested to learn on page SEO, please comment below. I will make a separate video on page SEO. Now I guess we are done. So however big the article is, whatever the article you want to paraphrase it or rewrite it, you can use Quillbot. It is completely free until 150 words. But if you want a premium feature, you don't care about money, you can use a premium version. If you have any doubts in this process, you can comment below. I will respond to it. I hope you have liked the video. If you really love this video, hit the like button, and if you are into digital marketing, blogging, affiliate marketing and much more, subscribe the channel Digital Marketing Hub so that you will get lots and lots of content in digital marketing in coming days. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care. This is Harish from Digital Marketing Hub.